I know this is going to be quite lengthy discussion that Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide or he has been forced to commit suicide, but unfortunately, he is no more. He has gone through some very tough time. He was under depression for more than 6 months, taking medications and trying to cope up with the situation. But the question arises why he was in depression. What has happened to him? He has given very good movies like MSD, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He has given Kai Poche. He has given Chichore. These are really good movies, and he has already proven that he is a good actor. He is a good actor. He was a good human being, I guess, because he has been found to be smiling in all his pictures, and he has never been found in any controversies. But the problem here is why he has done this extreme step. He was from a modest background. He was from middle class family from Bihar, from the state from where I belong. He was from Patna, and that is something personal loss for me that he is no more. But the issue arises. There are charges by Kangana Ranaut and other actors that he has been forced to quit many movies of which he was part due to his no connection, no having no godfather. So I would like to know what the people who are from his background doing, like Akshay Kumar, who says that he has no godfather in Bollywood. Because once you become established, you forget your past, and you don't no more want to help people. You just want to show a face that you are very very ideal, very very what you call having deep emotions for people who are struggling, but you never do any help to them. I do say that Salman was once found to say that who is Sushant, right? So he was knowing that there is an actor known as Sushant Singh, but he just tried to ignore him. So all these things, Karan Johar, I don't like him personally. He is such a ugly person. He is such a bastard that he can do anything to gain name and fame. And so I personally feel that police and the administration should take a cognizance of the situation and should arrest all these people who were found to be associated with the committing of suicide. Karan Johar, Salman Khan, and anyone who is directly or indirectly suspected to be causing abatement of suicide by Sushant Singh. He was an emotional person. He was struggling. He has already given good uh, serials and movies, but he was not given his place. He was being snatched off of his, you can say, his place in many of the movies. So I would like to take this through this video. I would like to tell the administration and tell the police that they should not be wary of anything related to causing of suicide by Sushant Singh. He was my personal favorite because he was from my home state. He was good in academics, good in his education, and then he shifted to movies. But he did not knew that he would always remain an alien without any godfather. Thank you.